So how can you save large files in the Photos album instead of files on the iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to it because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So at first, of course, the Photos app can only hold the videos and photos. But if you have some large video files or photos stored in the Files app, you can locate it right there, whichever place it might be. It might be in the local storage or anywhere else, and you can tap on it, right? Or you can just, it's better to hold down on it even, and it will give you the ability to click on a share and then save the image or save the video. This just means that the file will be moved from the Files app, but it will be saved inside of the Photos app. So it doesn't really matter the size of the file, you can move it and save it to the photos no matter how big or large it is. Another very cool solution is, for example, in my case, whenever I move the files from my SD card, from my camera, right, I just connect it to my iPhone or iPad, it's gonna be, you can just transfer the files through the Files app, or you can also directly open up the Photos app and import all of your large photos and videos directly to the Photos app instead of the Files app, right? So I really hope that it makes sense. I'm really trying to articulate my thoughts as best as I can, but this is everything I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.